Hi, it's Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. These are Violet's puppies. And here's the rest of Hope's puppies, females, and the one chocolate male. And these are Violet's puppies. Yeah.
Say hi to Mommy and Daddy. Say hi, Mommy.
Yay!
Yeah. I love my pop-pops. I know. What's the matter? Will you want some loving? Loving for you? Loving for you? You got some loving already. Loving for you. Are you chewing on my sweater? Loving for you. Ooh, your belly's full. Give me a boo-boo.
Well, is that silver male, right?
This one?
Yeah.
Silver male.
Available. So it's the chocolates from this litter.
I love
If you want a charcoal
Yeah.
or silver,
I love you. Yeah, look at you.
the black is gone.
I love you. Yeah. Yeah, puppies.
Cloudy's out there. What are you doing, guys? These are the rest of Hope's litter.
You want some loving too? Give me a. Give me a. I love you. Say hi.
Is that a female? Yeah.
I'm a male.
Male.
A chocolate male.
Yeah, that male's gone.
Say hi to your mommy and daddy.
Hello.
Hi, mommy and daddy.
Look at him. I think we got, what do we got there? 2 females?
Silver female.
Yep, she's
Say
available.
hi.
Anybody wants her, let me know.
Say hi. This one. Silver male. Say hi.
I usually take notes
You
down,
can't
but I was
see me.
just sitting here.
You can't see me. Dad, you can't see me.
Find the perfect song for you.
All right, one more. What's the other one? I think it's a female.
And silver female.
Yep, they're looking good.
Say hi. Say hi.
All right, Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, sign off.